Hi, we're here at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at an 8.5x30 Gooseneck Deckover dovetail trailer. We have a gooseneck hitch with our safety chains and breakaway cable. There is a chain box at the front of this Deckover trailer, as well as a heavy-duty jack. There are stake pockets and tighten points along the side of the trailer, as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. This trailer does come with two 10K axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. This Deckover does come with our King Kong ramps, as well as being a self-cleaning dovetail. There is LED brake lights, this Deckover does come with our heavy-duty IBeam frame. Your tires are on 16-inch wheels and rims. There is pressure-treated wood flooring to help with wear, as well as a corrosion repair paint. Once again, this is an 8.5x30 Deckover dovetail trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.